Hey, I just put together this bookshelf. First of all, it was super easy to assemble. I am not handy at all. And it took me probably like 20-25 minutes to put it together, maybe not even. Instructions were super simple to follow, and I'm blown away by the quality of it. It is just like your regular bookshelf. I'm going to use it as storage. This is my craft room that I'm in and slash office, and I have a ton of stuff to organize. So I just have these little bins here. The dimensions are like 31 by 31, and then I think it ends up being like 9 something deep. So I was able to flip my storage cubes both ways. I can put them the long way or the wide way. And I'll be able to store plenty of things in here, but really impressed with the quality. It has a backing on there. I was debating whether I wanted the backing. It made it a little more sturdy, and then I like just like the closed off look. So I'm gonna stand up so you can see what it looks like fully put together. Super nice. The brand actually sent it to me to test out, and I love it. It's gonna help with organization. I also have a couple like decor pieces I might add to the top, and then some like books and things left over on the bottom. But really affordable and great price. Super easy assembly. So I'm really happy with it.